Hello everybody, welcome back. Today I have this Burg Wächter Atlantic lock for you. It's a rust-proof model intended for use around boats and water and so on. So I think most of the components in there are brass. The official model number is, I think, 217F/50, 50 being the size. It's a 5-pin lock. Key works just fine. Here's the bitting, not so drastic. The keyway is relatively wide open. I think it's similar to the 116 model I featured earlier in the video. Yeah, let's try to get it picked. Starting from the back, but the front is binding pin 1. Good click. Now 5 is binding and good false set. 2 is binding, counter rotation. Okay, I think 5 dropped, it's binding again. Yeah, got the false set back. 4 binding and counter rotation. I think I got the set, but 5 dropped again. Let's see. 2 is quite high, but seems okay. I think this is 4. And 5 dropped again, of course. And yeah, got it open. Nice. I think you could shim it, but definitely the plastic makes it harder. And these rectangular cutouts, I think also, and especially you have to have a super long shim, or you have to remove the plastic first here on this side. Yeah, that's all I have for you today on this Burg Wächter Atlantic lock. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video and have a nice day. Bye.